Hello and welcome back to my channel Eat, Live and Love. So today's topic is power of gratefulness or gratitude. So I have been talking about gratefulness for the past few months because I have understood the importance of being grateful, and I have myself started being more grateful towards things and towards people who have made me who I am and who have helped me throughout and whom I trust and love. And I have also talked about how you should and try to be more grateful towards the small things that you have in your life and not crib about things that you don't have. So I didn't understand the importance of gratefulness till last year. But from this year, I have started understanding that being grateful is something which you should be. And if you're grateful to someone, or if you show your gratefulness to someone, it also makes you feel better. Because this is also a kind of change that has come up within me, I thought that I should share this with you. There have been so many times in our lives when someone or something has helped us get through a situation, or someone or something has done something which has made us feel special, but we don't reciprocate in that manner. And I think we should show our gratefulness. It shouldn't always be thank you. You can also show your gratefulness through other body languages. Gratefulness is a kind of kindness, and it's a way of showing appreciation and showing gratitude. Gratitude is a emotion that relates to our ability to feel and express thankfulness and appreciation. I feel that whenever I am showing my gratefulness or gratitude to someone, the reaction on their face is something which makes you even more happier, because they feel that their work has been appreciated, and that is something which makes them happy, and by looking at their face it makes you happy. So I feel that whatever makes you happy, you should do that. And feeling grateful is an internal experience, and it is an expression that spontaneously arises from the recognition of love, kindness and goodness. And gratitude is a selfless act, and its acts are done unconditionally in order to show them that they are appreciated and they are loved. I feel that you should never underestimate the power of a simple thank you. If you tell someone a simple thank you, it makes their day. They feel so happy and they feel appreciated. They feel that they have done something which have led to the other person saying thank you to them. So maybe they have made their lives better. And this is an endless process. If you feel and if you say thank you to someone, they will feel happier, and they will also maybe say someone thank you whom they should be thankful to. And I feel that showing your gratefulness or gratitude is something which everyone should start doing, because not enough people do this. And everybody feels good when they are appreciated, right? And I think a simple thank you or a bodily gesture is something which you can afford to do. And the most common way of expressing and cultivating gratitude is by maintaining a gratitude journal, where you can write down your experiences and you can write down your thoughts and the things that you're grateful for. So I have a journal where I write down my experiences and the things that I'm grateful for, and I write down few things for which I'm grateful for, and every day I do that. Once in the morning I sit down and I write about the things that I'm grateful for today, and I write down maybe 3-4 things, and it makes me so positive, and I feel that there are so many things that I should appreciate, and I feel like a positive vibe is there all around me, and it makes me feel good. Also, another thing that I would like to say is that you can also appreciate about yourself, about what you love about yourself, because self appreciation is something which I focus and stress upon, because if you don't appreciate yourself, it is very difficult to appreciate someone else. So I feel that you should also write in your journal the things that you appreciate about yourself, and this is very important. And I have also started doing that, and sometimes I go through the journals and I feel so good, and I feel so positive from inside, and I feel that I am so happy and content, because going through that journal itself is a journey and a memory of the things that I'm grateful for, and the things and the people who love me and care for me, and I'm grateful to them as well. Another powerful way of practicing gratitude is through gratitude meditation. Now, this is something which I have started recently, and what I do is that I sit comfortably in a place and then I close my eyes and relax my mind and body, and take some breaths and think about what I am grateful for and to whom I am grateful to. And this helps in bringing about a positivity inside you. It also brings about a kind of happiness, and when you are thinking about the goods and you are thinking about the positive side, then it makes you feel better. But I have stressed a lot about positivity all the time and trying to be positive all the time. But I also should say that if you are not feeling positive and if you are feeling negative sometimes, it's okay. You don't have to stress, and you don't have to constantly be tensed about not being positive. It is okay to be not okay, and it is fine. It is fine if you're not feeling positive all the time. So there are also times when I don't feel positive, and I feel that you should have a tendency to be positive, but it is not mandatory and it is not possible always that you will be positive throughout the day or throughout the year, but you should try to be positive. You should try to look at the brighter side. It's not that you have to. There are so many times when we feel a kind of negativity and we feel that some negative thoughts are creeping in our mind and body. It's fine. It is absolutely okay. You don't have to stress about everything, but there are few ways through which you can feel the positive vibe, and that can attract positivity, and those are the things that I have discovered and I share that with you. But if you are having negative thoughts and you are feeling negative from within for some time, it is absolutely okay. So now I will be just talking about the benefits of being grateful, and first thing that comes to my mind is improved health and enhanced well-being. Now, when you are showing gratitude to someone else, you feel a kind of happiness from inside, and you feel that the other person is also feeling happy and feeling very good because they are being appreciated and their work and effort has been appreciated, and that makes you feel happy and that makes the other person also happy, and it boosts up their spirits and energy. You feel a kind of positivity inside you because gratitude is ultimately an act of kindness. The second benefit is deeper relationships. Now, showing gratitude strengthens relationships, because when you are showing your gratitude to the other person, then a kind of a deep bond or deep relationship starts, and people who express their gratitude for each other are more willing to forgive each other, and a kind of a strong bonding develops. Being appreciative of other people and then being appreciated back is something which helps in developing kind of relationships which are long lasting. If you show gratitude to the other person, it immediately improves their self-esteem. They start feeling better about themselves. They start feeling much more confident about themselves because they are being appreciated by another person. So immediately their self-confidence and their self-esteem rises, and eventually that helps them in improving their self-esteem, and it helps them in building their personality. A simple thank you can make another person be confident about their work, and it makes the other person be more happy. Also, I have been talking about happiness all along the video that gratitude brings about. So if you are grateful to someone and show your gratitude to someone, it increases their happiness as well as it increases your happiness, because you feel a kind of happiness from within, and they are also ecstatic and they are also happy because someone has appreciated their work, their effort. There is nothing harm in saying thank you to the people who are helping you in so many ways. There are so many people in our lives who help us in ways which are unknown, help us in ways we don't even recognize. But try to recognize those people. For example, in India, we have maids. I have started realizing that they are such an integral part of our lives. In this situation, in this crisis situation, we all have understood the importance of house helps. They help us in so many ways, but we hardly recognize them. We hardly give recognition to them. We hardly say thank you to them. So you can at least say thank you. That is something which doesn't even take 1 second. It shows your love, your appreciation to another person's work. So show appreciation and show love to them by just saying thank you. So if you think about the small things in life, and if you think about the people who have contributed in some way in your life, then please say thank you. That is the least that you can do for them. And a little thank you, a small token of love, doesn't take any of your time. It makes your day, and it will make their day. It will make you happy. It will make them happy. So understand the power of gratefulness or gratitude. And that's it for today. If you like my videos, then please like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned till my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed and stay positive. Bye.